have been quick to see the sawdust in my brother's eyes, slow to see the plank that's in my own, slow to listen and sympathize, quick to cast the stone. And it took till now to realize, after everything I've tried, if you would change what's all around you gotta start with what's inside. When I imagine the hearts of those who've hurt me, it's hard not imagining the worst. It's so easy feeling worthy, passing judgment first. And it took till now once I see the other side, if you would change what's all around you gotta start with what's inside. And it took till now to realize, once I let go of my pride, if you would change what's all around you gotta start with what's in